Hi friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today I will share with you perfect houseplants for direct sunlight. If you are looking for a houseplant to put in a sunny spot in your home, then you are in luck as there are plenty of suitable houseplants for direct sunlight. Whether you are after stunning flowers or striking foliage. This video will guide you through the options. Choosing indoor plants that suit the lighting in your home is an important first step to helping your plants thrive. These house plants for direct sunlight wouldn't just survive the sunshine but will thrive and look their best. Number one plant is good luck plant. The good luck plant is a true sun worship and one of the best house plants for direct sunlight. This indoor window plant thrives in direct sunlight, the brighter the better. She loves warm climate and is happiest at around 15 degree. Number 2 is Dracaena. Dracaena is the best indoor window plant to add freshness and beauty to a sunny room. Her spiky green and pink leaf illuminate any space and give her name with mean female dragon. She loves direct sunlight and may even lose some new leaves if she doesn't receive enough. She can grow up to meter tall. This plant is easy to care and doesn't require much water. Allow the top 2 inches of soil to dry before watering to keep her happy. Next plant is Candelabra cactus. We all love sun-loving cacti, and these ones are certainly looker. Their strong and symmetrical structure and organic shape look great placed in the center of the window and can grow up to 30 inches high. Place them on your sunniest window and they will show their appreciation through fast new growth. The most direct sunlight they receive, the happier your cacti will be. This is why they are one of the best house plant for direct sunlight. Fourth plant is Musa acuminata. These plants love the heat and a mixture of direct and indirect sunlight. The fifth plant is polka dot. On a sunny window, these plants play a trick on your eyes. When the sun breaks through the cloud, their polka dots foliage appear to change color. They go from deep green to bright ruby red. This beautiful red color is usually just noticeable only on the underside of the leaves, but truly takes over when the sun hits this plant. Next plant is white bird of paradise. These plants get their name from their elegant pointed white flowers. They resemble birds of paradise with their wings open. They are native to South Africa and thrive and bloom when placed in the warmth of direct sunlight. Number 7 is aloe vera. Aloe vera plants are one of the most commonly indoor grown succulents worldwide. The aloe vera is even known in some circles as the first aid plant, burn plant, or a miracle plant. Many people grow them in the kitchen to use if they burn themselves cooking. Next plant is Clusia princess. This lovely plant has thick, bright green and characteristic rubier leaves. She creates a fresh, lively atmosphere. Next plant is zebra plant. These striking plants look as though they have been x-rayed. Their stunning deep green leaves are decorated with bold and white vine structure. Among indoor window plants, these plants reward you the most when you give them the sunshine they deserve. If looked after well during the summer, a crown of beautiful pointed yellow petals will bloom from the center of the plant. Next plant is sago palm. If you are looking for a straightforward plant to grow that comes with a great history lesson, then the sago palm is an excellent choice for you. Sago palm make great house plants for direct sunlight and add a touch of the tropic to your home with their unique look. These trees do best in bright sunlight and can withstand odds of direct sun on their foliage even in the hottest of climate. Be careful not to overwater your sago palm since it prefers dry feed and fertilize monthly. Next plant is China doll plants. China doll plants tolerate low humidity level found inside most home, but will do best with higher humidity. Your China doll plant can thrive in direct sunlight as long as not moved suddenly from a darker location. It will do best in a location providing lots of bright indirect sunlight, so consider providing a little shade for this one. Other one is ponytail. Ponytail palm make wonderful house plant for direct sunlight and are tolerate of a fair amount of neglect and variable indoor conditions. Ponytail palm are slow growing plants, but they can reach 3 or 4 feet tall indoor. When growing outside in higher light conditions, they can reach 15 to 20 feet tall. Next is basil. Basil makes a great addition to your indoor garden. Its strong clove-like flavor play a leading role in Italian cooking, frequently pairing with tomato and other salads. Also used in many pasta dishes. Growing a pot of your own provides a fresh supply in your kitchen year round. Next is snake plant. The snake plant enjoys direct sunlight and it preferably happy being ignored. Next plant is snake plant. Snake plant is a very famous house plant and it is very easy and low maintenance plant and ideal for beginners. Snake plant enjoys direct sunlight and is perfectly happy being ignored. Next plant is yucca plant. There are about 50 different types of yucca. They make excellent house plants because they are tough and also loving being direct sunlight, which means they are one of the best indoor plants for full sun. Yucca plants need a sunny position all year around and light shades from direct summer sun. The next is jade plant. Once you find out how to care for jade plant, you will be thrilled by what this succulent can add to your easy indoor plant collection. With this collection of the best window plants, now you can choose a lovely plant that will appreciate the sun just as much as you do. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel, share my video and please comment which plant you like to take your home.